Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, magluluto po muli tayo ng paa ng manok. So I hope samahan niyo po ako guys. So nagpakuloy po ako dito ng tubig. Ayan po. And maglalagay po ako dito ng onion. Hinati ko lang sa dalawa, yung bay leaves at saka garlic and whole peppercorn. Ayan, ilalagay po natin ito. And after that, ilalagay po natin ang ating chicken feet. Ayan po. So, this recipe is my own version on how I cook my chicken feet. So, mayroon po tayong iba-ibang style ng pagluluto ng chicken feet. So, ayun po. So, after po natin itong ilagay, hahaluin lamang po natin ito. And pagkatapos, tatakpan po natin ito and let's boil it for about 5 minutes. And while waiting for it to boil, let's prepare our other ingredients natin gagamitin. So, meron po ako ditong spring onion or pwede po kayong gumamit dito ng onion. Ayan po. And I'm going to cut this spring onion into small pieces. Ayan po guys. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to Jency Files channel and click the bell button below for any updates of my upcoming videos. And also, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aking video, please give me a thumbs up. And also please do share our vlogs for today in your social platform. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyo guys. And also, ayan, gagamit po ulit tayo dito ng ilang piraso ng garlic and I'm going to chop it. And also, I'm going to use here 2 chilies. Ayan po. And also, we were going to cut it into small pieces. Ayan po guys. So guys, kung may suggestions po kayo or comments, pwede po kayong mag-leave ng comments down below. And also, please do leave a comments kung saang bansa po kayo nanonood ng aking video. And I'm going to give you a shout out on my next vlogs. Ayan po guys. So, ito lamang po ang sangkap na ating gagamitin. Ayan. And after that, i-prepare din po natin ang ating sauce natin gagamitin. So, in a bowl, maglalagay po ako dito ng 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And konting gagamit din pa ako dito ng fermented bean paste with chili sauce. So maglalagay po ako dito ng 1 tablespoon. Ayan. And also maglalagay din po ako dito ng konting paminta, pandagdag lasa po. Ayan. Ang paminta at saka salt, hindi po nawawala yan sa ating pagluluto. Ayan. And after that, maglalagay din po ako dito ng konting tubig. At saka po natin ito haluin para mag-mix po lahat ng ating sauce. And after po ma-mix natin ito, ise-set aside po natin ito and gagamitin po natin ito mamaya sa ating pagluluto. Ayan. So, ulitin ko po, ito po ay aking version ng aking pagluluto sa paa ng manok. So, ngayon, i-start na po natin ang balikan natin ang ating chicken feet. So, ito, okay na po siya after 5 minutes. So, hahanguin po natin ito and I'm going to soak this in cold water. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, I would also like to thanks all my subscribers and to all my channel memberships. Maraming salamat po sa inyo guys sa patuloy nyo pong pagsubaybay sa aking mga videos and of course sa panonood ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much po guys. Ayan. So, after po natin itong ma-remove sa cooking pot, ayan, hinugasan po muli natin. So, now, start na po natin magluto. So, maglalagay po ako dito ng 2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Ayan. And, we are going to saute first our spring onion. Ayan. And then, ilalagay po natin ngayon ang ating chilies. And then, isunod po natin ngayon yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Ito na po siya. Saka po natin ito haluin and let it boil. And after that, ngayon, ilalagay po natin ang ating chicken feet. Ayan. Saka po natin ito haluin para mag-combine po lahat ang ingredients na ating nilagay. Ayan po guys, so after natin mahalo, cover it and simmer it for another 10 minutes until lumambot po ang ating chicken feet. So ayan. So after 10 minutes, ayan, i-check po muli natin. And atin po itong hahaluin. So ayan, may lumambot na ang ating chicken feet. So, haluin po muli natin ito para pantay-pantay ang pagkakaluto ng ating chicken feet. So, ito na po siya guys. Luto na ang ating chicken feet. So, also I would like to say thank you so much to all Team Sueno families, to all Team Sueno officials. Maraming salamat po sa inyo guys. And, ayan guys, try nyo po itong new recipe ng pagluluto ng chicken feet. Sarap po siya guys. So, once again, thank you so much guys. And I would like to see you guys on my next vlogs. Thank you. Bye!